quick way on how to use Glogster. You have to log on to Glogster. You have to log on to your class using the class ID that we sent you. And this is kind of how you create a new glog. You go here to create new glogs and you have a bunch of templates. You can choose to use a blank template or you can choose to use one that has already been created. It's up to you guys, whatever template you want to choose, okay? I went to, let's see, since we need to add a bunch of information to the Glogster, I would choose one that has a bunch of spaces to write down this information. I saw one in social studies. If you click show all, that I personally liked. It doesn't mean you guys have to use it. I'm just telling you that I personally liked it. Now I can't find it. Give me a second. It was this one. Okay. You click on it, and this is the template. So here's the deal. It's pretty straightforward. You can make items bigger or smaller, just like you would in any other tool. You can click on the actual text and you can change the text or add new text to it. If you noticed, when you click on the borders of things, you can make them bigger or smaller, and you have these tools here. Okay. Let's play around with these tools. This would be to lock it in place. This would be to flip it around. This would be to make a copy of it. This is to move down. Let's see how down it moves. I didn't see it moving, but it's to move up. This is to attach a link or of a website. This would be to add a shadow to it. You see how like it changed? This is to crop the image and make it. This is to crop the image inside of it, make it smaller or bigger. This would be to replace the image. And this is to add a border to it, in case you want to change it. So you guys have a bunch of different tools, so you can see how to add things to it. This is to add text. This is to add graphics. So here it has a couple of graphics already that you can add. And here is to add images. So this is to upload an image. This is to take an image with your camera. This would be to take you to this area here where you can pick different types of images that suit you. Okay. Or you can upload them from your computer. Let's see what grab is. Image. This is so you can actually take a picture. I don't want to take a picture right now. This is to embed content into your glog by using any of these apps. Web picker. This is a Google search of images. So let's say I want a cartogram. Takes me to Google search. I'm going to click on this one. Let's see how do I add the cartogram? Google Images. Cartogram. That's not really a cartogram though. That's a chloroplast. No, it's not even a chloroplast map. But let's see. So copy link address. Let's see what happens there. Pick any content from your browser. Drag the newly opened tab to the window and position it side by side. Okay. So basically what I'm supposed to do is, sorry about that. I'm filming at the same time I'm trying to like show you how to use it. You can do this, which means that now I have both windows open. And I could just take the picture and drag it. Se supone, ¿verdad? That's what I understood. Side by side. Let's see what happens if I minimize, add. And see, there's the picture. All I had to do was drag it. Y ahí está. And now I can put it wherever I want. I can move it around, I can flip it, etc. All right, you can make it bigger or smaller. So that's how you add images, guys. What's wall? The wall is basically where you have the images, I guess. Here's a gallery, here's a solid color, etc. Audio is for you to add audio to it if you'd like. Videos, guys, is to add a video to it. So you could actually look for a video on YouTube and just click the link and add it here. 3D models. Let's click and see what happens when you add a 3D model. This is one. It's basically like a picture. I don't see the difference between this and a picture, but when. And data. When you click on text, you can change the colors, you can change the size, you can change the font. So this is basically how you create a glog, guys. When you are done, make sure to click here. Entonces, how do we save our glog? Let's see. Let's close this. This is how you save your glog, guys. You have to put a name on it. Click unfinished because you guys will be working, you're going to have 5 days to work on this. So basically it's unfinished. You can still make changes and etc. And you click save. And your glog has been saved. I would suggest emailing yourself this address. So let's see what happens. Email address, we're going to email it to Miss Ely Geography, because that's the one that has my account right now in Gmail. Glogster first attempt. And then if you go to your dashboard, guys, there is your unfinished product, and you can edit it across like the 5 days that you need to work on this. So this is Glogster. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope that it's useful for you guys. Remember that the actual name of your glog has to be the unit that you're working on.